Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets for Monday the 17th of March. This euro dollar chart we're going to be looking at is one which could have a bit of volatility this morning in front of this Eurozone inflation figure that comes out at 10 o'clock GMT. The euro has slightly made some recovery from some weakness overnight, but certainly if you look at this on this daily chart, you've got a bit of a consolidation pattern forming around here, and I'll show you on the intraday chart in a minute what I think that ultimately could turn out into is the risk. But certainly the daily chart remains in positive configuration. These momentum indicators are just unwinding through this consolidation, and I think that there's nothing overly negative about this chart in any way, really. So I think at the moment we're going to still pick to go for a test of that 139.67 and maybe even a move towards 140. But at the moment, this consolidation is still in play. Intraday, I think you'll see more evidence of a possible top pattern, actually, I think, on this chart, and certainly 138.32 is the key support on this chart, which has basically been moving sideways across this consolidation for the past week or so. The downshift overnight has actually bounced off that 38.77, so that's a positive for this chart, and certainly there could be some volatility around this inflation data that comes out at 10 o'clock this morning. The potential is that if it undershoots the 0.8%, then that could put pressure back on this chart once more. But certainly at the moment, the momentum indicators and the moving averages are fairly sort of leveled off, I'd say, on this certainly on this evidence. This is on the hourly chart. There's no major evidence that can be taken from any of these momentum indicators that are fairly neutral. And I think we're going to start to have to talk about supports and resistances, really. So that overnight low of 38.77 is the key level on the downside. On the upside, you're looking at 39.17, but probably more importantly that 39.36 key resistance there. So I think this chart could well have a significant change in outlook once this inflation data comes out. But certainly, as I said, just be careful of this ongoing potential for a head and shoulders top pattern, and 38.32 is the key support there. I suppose that will probably be playing out throughout this week, unless you can get a move back above that 39.67 level. So that's my take on euro dollar today. As I said, be careful around 10 o'clock for the inflation figure, and I will speak to you later. Thank you very much.